Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can host your website on GitHub for free. Okay, so if you have a domain name and you want to host something very simple, right, and you don't want to pay for hosting costs because the site is really simple, and depending on which hosting, they can be quite expensive. You can do it for free, straight from GitHub. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and you can use your own domain, and I'll show you guys that as well. All right, so first what you want to do is go to github.com, create an account if you don't have one, and now you want to create a new repository. All right, so now I'm at the page over here creating a new repository, and I will name my repository my site. Okay, and I'll make it public. I don't need that, and I will just create a repository. Create it. All right, so right now the repository is empty, right? I can import code, or I can do it straight from the command line. If you guys are going to do it from the command line, you do have to have Git installed on your computer, and if you don't know how to do that, you can just easily Google it and find out. All right, so I'm not going to be using Git to push my changes. I'll just create a new file in here straight in Git, right? And from here I can basically create the file, and it's going to be very simple, so nothing too advanced. So let's just create this index.html, and the file, just create some regular HTML. So I need the head, and the body. Alright, so in here I will just basically create some regular text. Welcome to my site, and basically now I can commit new file. So you can see that I'll dismiss that. Right now I just have one file, index.html, and it's basically just this. All right, so now next thing what we want to do is go to the repository. Well, when we're in the repository, so you can just click my site over here. You want to go to settings. Okay, so in the settings, now what we want to do is basically enable the option for GitHub pages. So what we want to do is just scroll down and go to the GitHub pages part, right? And over here, source, we want to do master branch. Okay, so it's saved the source as the master branch, and you can do custom domains over here and all that, but we'll get to that later. So now if we can click this, oops, 1 second. So sometimes when it fails, you can just wait a little, because sometimes it does take time, and then when you click it again, so you can see it works now. Welcome to my site. If you want more information on this, you can go to GitHub pages, right, and read up more information on what is and what isn't allowed, right? So you can definitely go and check that out. But let me just open this up again, and you can see basically this is basically exactly what I had in my HTML file. You can see HTML, head, body, welcome to my site, body, HTML. So yeah, that's basically it. You can add CSS or custom styles or JavaScripts or whatever. It should work. Obviously it is very limited, so you want to definitely check out what's limited or not. So going on from there, now it's a custom domain. It's really simple to do custom domain as well. So if you do have, you can, there's nothing really wrong with this domain either, but for SEO purposes, or just to make it look more professional, you might want to have a custom domain, right? And to add it is very simple and straightforward. All right, so you take your custom domain, mine is this, right? And you just enter it in here, custom domain, and press save. So when you press this, it will create a CNAME file. So you can see it will automatically generate this file into your repository. And basically what this repository has is just the name of your domain. All right. So once you have that set up, you want to go to whatever your domain name provider is, whether it's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or anywhere else. You want to go there and you have to update the records. All right, so I already had that and I already did that. And basically just set it to this. You want to create an A, clear out whatever is there already, and create an A record with the host with the @ symbol, and then you have to enter this IP. You have to create 4 of these records. All right, and these IPs are basically GitHub's IP. Okay, so that's to their servers. So it's a 185.199.108.153, and then 109.153, then 110.153, and then 111.153. All right, and then you want to create a CNAME record that basically links, the value is your GitHub account, right? So whatever yours is .github.io. And after that, you want to create a URL redirect record, and that's to your domain, whatever it is. All right. So once you set this, it can take some time to update, so you have to be patient. You might not see results right away, and you may see results right away. It really depends on how fast it updates. All right. So you have both of these set up, and GitHub will tell you. So it is recommended you do the updates of the DNS records before you enter this over here, but it doesn't hurt if you do it here. So when you update this, right, and then you update the domain, it will tell you over here your site is published at this. Otherwise, it will tell you that GitHub could not reach whatever your site is. And that's mainly because when GitHub tries to reach your site, your name servers aren't updated, right? And that's why it won't be able to find it. And just for your record, if you guys don't know where this is, just go to Advanced DNS, and you will probably see something like this, right? And yeah, you can basically edit it no matter what provider you have. All right, so I have basically all that, and now to view the site, you can just click it, and basically you can see right here, I have the site, HTTPS, and welcome to my site, right? And if we go here, view the source of the site, you can see it's the same exact HTML that I had in my repository. All right, so that's basically it. It's really simple. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description below. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.